Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled among whispering pines and laughing streams, lived a woman named Clara. Clara was known for her wisdom, kindness, and her garden, a sanctuary of healing where each plant told a story and each flower whispered secrets of the heart. The garden was an embodiment of serenity, a refuge for weary souls seeking solace from the sorrows of life. Every morning, the sun would gently range over the petal-kissed pathway, greeting early visitors with golden warmth. The garden had become a haven for Clara and those in need of gentle healing touch. One day, a young man named Jacob, bearing the burdens of his troubles, wandered down the path. A heavy heart stalled his feet, forcing them into the garden as if drawn by its invisible balm. Jacob carried with him the weight of anxiety and doubt, relentless storm within that clouded his spirit. Under the shaded canopy of the willow tree, Clara found Jacob. She recognized that look of longing for peace, one she had often encountered. With a soft smile, she guided him to a bench among lavender bushes, the air around them infused with calming scents. "Tell me," Clara invited gently, her voice a gentle rustle like the leaves above, "what troubles your spirit so?" Jacob sighed deeply, sharing his fears of the future and insecurities that gnawed at him. Each word was soaked with concern, each sentence tethered to the fear of failure. Clara listened with patience and empathy, offering him the gift of understanding. When he fell silent, she began, "Fear and doubt are like weeds in a garden. Left untended, they spread, choking the life out of the vibrant blooms of hope and joy." She handed him a small trowel. "You see this garden, Jacob? Resilient and beautiful, it thrives because it's tended to with love and care. We must do the same with our hearts and minds. Begin small, choose one thought, and tend to it. Replace a worry with a small hope, water it daily with kindness for yourself." Her words were simple yet profound, like drops of rain nourishing the earth. Jacob sat quietly, absorbing the wisdom, a new sense of empowerment budding within his heart. He took a breath, allowing the fragrant air to settle his racing thoughts. "You're right," he whispered. A fragile smile dared to grace his lips. "I'll work on my garden." As days turned to weeks, Jacob often returned to Clara's garden. Each visit left him lighter, the storms within him slowly dissipating into clearer skies. He began planting his own garden of serene thoughts, carefully removing weeds of negativity and sowing seeds of hope. In the heart of this quaint town, the healing garden of serene thoughts continued to thrive, a testament to the power of kindness, understanding, and the gentle art of healing one's soul. Clara's legacy was in every bloom, every whispering branch, a reminder that peace and strength sprouted from within, patiently waiting to be tended to.